Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If I understand the person right, and there is a word hero right here, be a hero and a friend. I don't know why that's such a weird color, but they want to put an outline just around the words and the star. But if we can see that part of it is that, and it has that weird color too, so that's a little bit concerning. And that might even be another step than I thought about. So what I'm going to do is this thing is less than 12 inches wide. So I set my nudge factor on 12. So I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move it over. And I'm going to take this, the whole thing, and I'm going to left click, right click. And that gives us an outline. Now, I don't know if he needs these colors because I didn't think about that. But now I'm going to group this together and I'm going to make an ellipse and hit P, making sure that that part is covered up. And then I'm going to select both of them and I'm going to go to trim. And I trimmed out that part. Now I can make this outline any thickness I want. I'm going to make it 4 points, kind of overdo it, and then move it back. And now I have that. And see, this really light color is still there with the same color as that. You just can't really see it. I don't really understand that part. I don't think we could, we move this out of the way, move it at least over, and click on that, and let's make it just a shade darker, and look at that, it worked. And it made, because that is connected to that. And then move this back, and now you have an outline just around the stars in the word. And you could still change it to less pointage, whatever thickness you needed. And these don't have an outline, and that's all he really asked for. And if I'm wrong on what I was thinking, he'll let me know, and maybe I'll do a second video, but I think that'll work. Anyway, I hope that helped him and answered his question, and thank you for watching.